Generally speaking, notes in perfumes refer to the different aromatic ingredients that make up a fragrance. These ingredients are divided into three main categories: top notes, heart notes, and base notes. Top notes. Top notes are the notes that are perceived immediately after applying the perfume. They are light, fresh and volatile, and usually last approximately 15–30 minutes. Top notes are the first olfactory impressions experienced when smelling a fragrance. Common examples of top notes are citrus, such as bergamot, lemon or mandarin, as well as herbal notes, such as mint or lavender. Common examples of top notes are citrus such as lemon, bergamot and orange, as well as herbal and spicy notes. Heart notes, also called middle notes, these are the notes that are revealed after the top notes evaporate. They represent the body or main character of the fragrance and last for several hours. Heart notes are softer and are usually floral, such as jasmine, rose, lily or violet. They may also include spicy notes, such as cinnamon or clove, or fruity notes, such as apple or peach, as well as aromatic herbs such as lavender or rosemary. Base notes. These are the notes that are perceived after the heart notes fade and are the longest lasting on the skin. They are the longest lasting and linger on the skin for hours or even days. The base notes create the foundation and structure of the fragrance. They are usually richer, warmer and velvety, and include ingredients such as amber, musk, woods, such as sandalwood or cedar, patchouli, vanilla or moss. These notes are rich and deep, and provide the base of the fragrance. It is important to note that fragrances are composed of multiple notes that combine to create a complete and unique scent. Perfumes usually have a pyramidal structure, where the top notes are the first to be perceived, followed by the heart notes and finally the base notes. And there are different olfactory families or types of fragrances, such as citrus, floral, oriental, woody, among others. Each olfactory family has certain characteristics and can be composed of different combinations of notes.